Welcome to New Choice. Today we are going to learn some words with the Malayalam symbol Oogaram and their English meaning. Kootugaran, friend. Kootali, partner. Koona, heap. Koobam, well. Kooman, owl. Kooru, loyalty. Koormam, tortoise. Kootuga, add. Koorkam, snoring. Koortha, sharp. Thookam, weight. Thoomba, spade. Thoolika, pen. Thoop, sweeping. Thookupalam, hanging bridge. Chool, broom. Chood, heat. Choonda, fish hook. Chooral, cane. Chushanam, exploitation. Dooram, distance. Doodan, messenger. Thoomam, smoke. Thooli, dust. Thoorthan, prodigal. Noodanam, new. Nooru, 100. Noolu, thread. Nootandu, century. Poocha, cat. Poojyam, 0. Poot, lock. Poornam, complete. Poopal, fungus. Poochatti, flower pot. Poochand, bouquet. Poombodi, pollen. Poochakutti, kitten. Poornada, perfection. Pooripikkuka, to fill up. Bhoomi, earth. Bhushanam, decoration. Bhoopadam, map. Bhookandam, continent. Bhoochalanam, earth tremor. Mook, nose. Moonga, owl. Moota, a buck. Moolal, humming. Moolyam, value. Rupam, shape. Rupa, rupee. Shunyam, empty. Suryan, sun. Suchana, hint. Sutram, trick. Suchi, needle. Sukshmam, small. Moon, 3. Moogam, silence.